Children, in this lesson, we saw about the interior of the earth. In the interior of the earth, there were the three layers we saw. Have you all remember then? Interior of the earth, page number 145. The crust, the mantle and the core. Then after the next that, the earth movements we saw. The sudden movement, the endogenic movement, exogenic movement. Endogenic movement is otherwise called as inner movement. Exogenic movement on the surface of the earth. We saw that. And endogenic movement, it is a sudden movement. Understand? Exogenic movement, it is somewhat slow movement. Okay. Now, this one type of endogenic movement. Or inner movement. Endogenic movement or inner movement. Okay. One classification is earthquake. This earthquake is one of the type of endogenic movement, that is the inner movement. How the earthquake? What is earthquake, children? The sudden movement of the earth, that and all we saw in the previous classes. The sudden movement of the earth, the vibration, and what are the point of the earthquake is focus. Above the point, it is called as epicenter. And what we saw, the waves, the vibration, it is called as the seismic waves. The vibration we saw. And the instrument which is used to measure earthquake is seismograph. We saw that. And the scale which is used to measure the earthquake is Richter scale. And the point from 0 to 9, we can know about what is the value, what is the thing. That and all we saw in the earthquake. And now we are going to see about the causes of the earthquake. Why the earthquake is causing, why it is happening. Understand? That we are going to see the causes. The causes of the earthquake is the sudden slipping of the portion along the crust. Understand? The sudden slipping of the portion along the earth crust is called as, this is one of the cause for the earthquake. Another one is it produces breaks. It breaks and it gives the cracks on the surface. That is inside the surface, inside the earth. Okay. Because why they are happening? Because of the overheat. Understand? Over pressure inside interior the earth. What are the cause? Heat. Overheat and pressure and high pressure. So these are all the causes for the earthquake. And another one is the shaking of the plate movements. Understand? The lithosphere plates we saw, no? So the shaking of the movements also, the shaking and vibration of the lithosphere plates is also another cause for the earthquake. So these are the causes for the earthquake. What are they? The sudden slipping on the earth crust. It is called as the, it is causes the earthquake, and some breaks it will happen, the cracks will happen on the surface of the earth, and because of the overheat and high pressure, the earthquake can cause. Then வேறு என்ன causes பார்த்தோன்னு சொன்னால், the shaking and vibration of the lithosphere plates. Understand, inside the earth நம்ம plate எல்லாம் பார்த்தோம்ல, lithosphere plate ஒன்னோட ஒன்று மோதிடும், ஒன்னோட ஒன்று தனியாக போயிடும், ஒன்னோட ஒன்று ஏறி மேலே ஏறிடும், அப்புறம் ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து high fold mountain ஆகும், அதான் Himalayas we saw. Understand? So these are all the causes for the earthquake. Now what are the effects of earthquake? What are the effects? Effects என்னெல்லாம் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டால், there were much changes in the earth surface. Changes in earth. Shortly I will write, children. Okay, there were much changes in the earth surface, and there were landslides will occur in mountain. Landslides will occur in the mountains. Understand? And another thing is, a great danger will happening in falling of building. Falling of, I told you previously itself, இல்லை பெரிய பெரிய பில்டிங் எல்லாம் என்ன ஆகும், the flats and all apartments எல்லாம் அப்படியே பூமிக்கு அடியில் போய் புதைஞ்சிடும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம். So falling of buildings will happen, and the mud and bricks houses will be destroyed பார்த்துருக்கோம். Then underground water system will affect. Underground water system will affect. Underground water system will affect. And what we can say, fire is another great danger. What is fire? நெருப்பு இல்லை, fire great danger. So these are all the effects of earthquake. Previously we saw the causes for the earthquake. Now the effects of the earthquake. What are the effects of the earthquake? Simply you say, the changes will happen on the surface of the earth. Then the landslides in the mountain. Have you heard about the landslide? கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? நிலச்சரிவு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்கள்ல, they are called as landslide. இப்போ recently in the last month I think in Munnar in Kerala there is a great disaster, great destroy, the landslide. The landslide was occurred, and many of the houses they were destroyed. They went inside the earth. Many people they lost their life. Many people they lost their houses. Understand? So much landslides occurred in the mountain side. Then next one, falling of the buildings because of the shaking of the earth movement. இப்போ நம்ம நின்று பேசிட்டே இருக்கோம், we don't know whether the earthquake will come or now. Understand? So if the earth is shaking like this, surely what will happen? The earth will break into two, and the buildings which are on the side of the earthquake place, they all will go inside the interior of the earth. So falling of the buildings will occur. Then mud houses, brick houses, they will all destroy. Many people they lost their life. அப்படியே building மேலே விழுந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? Understand? Many people life will be lost. And underground water, which is in the underground, in the interior of the earth, we have the water system also. So underground water system also will affect because of the earthquake. Understand? And another great danger is the fire. Fire is also another great danger. So these are all the effects for the earthquake. Have you all understand, children? The next one, very important thing of earthquake is tsunami. Have you heard about tsunami? Tsunami is a Japanese word. Actually, tsunami is a word. It is a Japanese word, tsunami. Understand what is tsunami? Do you know, children? Tsunami, the earthquake which will occurred on the ocean, on the sea water, it is called as tsunami. Understand? Tsunami means this earthquake occurred in the ocean or any other sea or water. It is called as tsunami. Can you able to follow? So big waves will occur. Understand? And all the what we can see, the sea creatures, all they will lose their life. The water bodies it will affect. Understand? So these are all because of the tsunami we can see. Understand? The flood will come occur. The another important thing is flood will come, then rainfall will occur because of this, and huge, the waves will be huge. அலைகள் சொல்றோம்ல, huge waves will occur because of the tsunami. Especially the tsunami often where it will come keta, the coast of Japan and Pacific. The coast of Japan and Pacific. Often the tsunami will come in the coast of Japan and Pacific. Have you understand, children? And especially in 2004, 26th January. அப்பெல்லாம் நீங்கள் பிறந்திருக்கவே மாட்டீங்கல்ல? ஆமாம். 2004ல 26th January, next day of Christmas. Okay. அப்போ great tsunami was occurred in the Bay of Bengal beachல. அப்பெல்லாம் பார்த்தோன்னா பனைமரம் சொல்கிறால, பாம் ட்ரீ, கோகோனட் ட்ரீ, அந்த அளவுக்கு அந்த வேவ்ஸ் என்ன ஆச்சு, அப்படியே பெரிய வேவ்ஸு. டிவியில் அந்த நியூஸ்லலாம் காமிச்சாங்க, நாங்கள்லாம் பார்த்தோம், எங்களுக்கெலாம் தெரியும். we had seen that. was such a great disaster. Many people, they lost their life, especially the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, all the Indonesia island, then Sumatra, Java, Andaman and Nicobar Island, many places, it went inside the ground. அப்படியே உள்ள ஃபுல்லா மூழ்கி போச்சு. Much flood happened, huge waves. Understand? Because of tsunami. Tsunami is the greatest disaster, natural disaster. Understand? So you have to understand, you have to know all about this. Okay, so this is earthquake, what are the causes we saw, and what are the effects we saw, and the tsunami. Understand? Next one, what we are going to see about the distribution of earthquake, where we saw where we can see engala earthquake it happened. We'll see now. Have you take down, children? Every time I used to say you that whenever you are coming for the online class, you are seeing the online class, you have to take your books along with the notebook, classwork notebook. You have to write whatever the teachers, they are writing it on the board, you have to write in your classwork. Now, distribution of the earthquake. Where the earthquake distributed, where all we can see the where happened the earthquake. Especially the earthquake will happen in the Pacific ring of fire. That place is called as Pacific Ring of Fire. In that area, 68% earthquake will happen. Understand? Pacific Ring of Fire. And another thing is Mediterranean Himalayan belt. Mediterranean Himalayan belt. In the area, we can see 31% of the earthquake. Another area is the Asia Minor, where we can see abinta Asia Minor, Himalayas, and the parts of northwest China. parts of northwest China. Here all we can see the tsunami, another percentage. And northern Africa, the remaining percent of where we can see அப்படினு கேட்டா in the northern Africa, North Africa, and where the earthquake occurred, the Red Sea and the Dead Sea. So these are the areas where the earthquake occurred. In India, இதெல்லாம் வந்து outside India, இந்தியா இல்லாத வெளியில் இருக்கிற கண்ட்ரீஸில் எப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்த்தோம். இன் இண்டியா அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டோன்னு சொன்னால் in the Himalayan region and Ganga and Brahmaputra, Himalaya and Ganga, Brahmaputra valleys, Ganga and Brahmaputra valley, and another places where we can see what has happened அப்படினு கேட்டா Uttarkashi in the year 1991 a great earthquake had happened, and in Chamoli in 1999 it would happen. And in the Deccan Plateau, actually in the Deccan Plateau it was a earthquake prone area. Deccan Plateau is a earthquake prone area only, understand. It is free from danger, but even though two earthquake had happened, one is at Koina அப்படின்ற பிளேஸில் in the year, it is in Maharashtra, in the year 1967, and Latur in the year 1993. So these are all the places which the earthquake occurred. What are the this is only earthquake distribution. What are the places the earthquake we can see the occurred அப்படினு கேட்டா actually every time the Pacific Ring of Fire, அதனால தான் அதுக்கு நேமே the Great Pacific Ocean, you all know, the largest, the biggest ocean in the world. Many oceans are there. Do you know the oceans of the world? Tell me, say. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Understand? Among this, the very அடிக்கடி எங்க where we can see the earthquake அப்படினு கேட்டா only in the Pacific Ring of Fire. Understand? 68% of the earthquake will occur in this area. Remaining the Mediterranean Himalayan belt la 31% we can see. And in other places அப்படினா Asia Minor, the Himalayas, parts of northwest China, then the Ganga Brahmaputra valley, Uttarkashi la a great earthquake happened in the year 1991. அப்பலாம் நீங்க பிறந்திருக்கவே மாட்டீங்க. Is it not? Okay. In India la அப்படி நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னு சொன்னா in Deccan Plateau la it is a free zone area only. Earthquake won't be occur. Often வந்துட்டே இருக்காது. But in Koina, it is in Maharashtra. Understand? In the Koina area, 1967 la one great earthquake had happened, occurred. Okay. And Latur in this area, 1993 la ஒரு earthquake வந்துச்சு.